Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll compare interactive brokers and Fidelity. So if you're serious about stock trading, choosing the right broker is very crucial. So today we'll break down the key differences you can decide that which one is best for you. Fidelity is basically a top choice for long-term investors. It offers zero commission stock trading and also access to mutual funds with no expense ratios and the top tier search tools. Plus, it also has an easy to use platform if you look at it, and it is great for beginners and passive investors. Moving on, moving on to your interactive brokers, it is favored among professional traders. So, what happens in this that the website, so the website is pretty easy to use and it's basically used by all professional traders. So it provides direct market access, super low trading fees, and also advanced tools for options, futures, and global trading. So if you're an active trader looking for spend and low cost execution, Interactive Brokers is a powerhouse for it. So which one you should choose? If you are long-term investors who value simplicity and top-notch research, Fidelity is the way to go. But if you're an active trader who needs advanced tools and lower trading costs, Interactive Brokers is a better choice. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.